To get started with your planner insert kit on your iPad, first download File Explorer on the App Store. Open your Etsy account on the Safari browser on your iPad. It won't work well with any other browser. Tap on the U button on the top right, then Purchases and Reviews. Tap Download Files, then tap the Download button. Begin with the Welcome Kit. It's got all kinds of information that you'll need to get started with your planner, and it'll answer your questions. Then tap to download the zip file. When the file opens up, tap the Share button. Tap Copy to File Explorer. In File Explorer, choose the location you would like to save it to. I will choose Local, then Planner Accessories. You can also create a new folder if you need to by tapping the plus button. Tap Save, then tap the folder you saved it in to open it. Tap the More button, then Unarchive. Then tap Unarchive again. Now you can see all your files are available. To make it simple to access from Goodnotes, go back to the unzipped folder and tap the More button. Tap Open In, then choose Save to Files. After that, choose a folder to save it in. It's best to choose either Dropbox or iCloud. In Goodnotes, to insert the JPEG or PNG files, open your digital planner. Tap and hold on a blank page. Tap Image, then tap Dropbox or iCloud. Tap the file you would like to insert. Adjust the size by dragging the handles. And that's it. You're ready to start using your planner insert kit. Enjoy! If you haven't purchased one of our planners yet, remember to click the link below in the description box and it will take you to our Etsy shop. We will have many more products coming up soon so that you can upgrade and customize your planner to suit your needs. Remember to follow us on our social media so you can stay updated on all the new product releases and upcoming sales that we have. And subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you can stay updated when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching!